Joey, and this is Dad Simply Cooking, and it's a quick night, okay? If school's starting back, everything's about to get chaotic, and you're gonna need one of those simple, easy dishes. Otherwise, you're gonna be spending about $60 going through the drive-thru. Because we're making chicken mac and ranch sliders, plain and simple, out the door, under in 30 minutes, and we're rolling. So the first thing I want to get done right away is clear my cutting board so it looks like I know what I'm doing professionally. I have no idea. Secondly, I'm going to get a big baking dish or a pan, a sheet pan. That's what this is. Preheat my oven to 375 to get that bacon good and crispy. My favorite bacon is the apple wood smoked bacon. It's just a go-to. The maple is a bit intense, okay? We've gotten the maple before. Wife not really a fan. Once your bacon's screaming, put me in the oven. We put it in the oven. I forgot I redid my grates yesterday while baking a cake, and I need to reset them. But we'll deal with that later. Next up, rotisserie chicken. Who doesn't love a good rotisserie chicken? I know I do. And all we're going to do is cut this thing up. Look, I found the wishing bone. So what we do is we pull on the wishing bone, right? And if your side breaks, you get a wish. So you got to wish for something, but you can't say what the wish is, okay? Come over here. Ready? Pull it. You got to pull it. Pull it hard. Oh, you got the big side. You have to make a wish. All right, once you get all that chicken cut up, we're just gonna dice it. To get all that chicken done, we're just gonna move it on over to our bowl. Grab a little bit of olive oil and pour on my chicken. Mix in my pepper and a Montreal steak seasoning. Mix in some ranch seasoning. And then just mix that on in. Baking dish. Check on our bacon. Bacon's looking good. Hawaiian rolls. Bread cutter knife, not a back scratcher. And voila, we did it. It's magical, I know. I was actually surprised myself. So we got our Hawaiian rolls cut in half. Now we just gotta, it might not be even, but it's all right, okay? We're gonna add our chicken. Out comes the cheese while the bacon's still in the oven. We're gonna put some cheese on top. This is just Kobe Jack. If you want mozzarella, put mozzarella. If you want sharp cheddar, put sharp cheddar. You know, whatever kind of cheese you want. If you want pepper jack, put pepper jack. This is just what I had in the fridge. Bacon's done. Put that bacon right on top. How low can you go? All right, I'm gonna put this in the oven untopped till that cheese is melted, and then I'm gonna butter the top up and put the top on. So let's do this. All right, y'all. So we're gonna add our lettuce. And of course, we can't forget the ranch. I'm only gonna do the ranch on half because Axel is not a fan of ranch. Top. All right. Fresh and hot out the oven. Chicken bacon ranch sliders. They're messy, and that's fine by me. Easy dinner right there, y'all. Check it out. Plain, simple, and all around delicious. Y'all, if you enjoy this video, I would greatly appreciate if you like, comment, and subscribe. Around here, we're always doing simple, easy, fast, affordable, complex, trying to make it simplified. I don't know. We're just around here cooking from one family to another. I love y'all. Y'all take care, and I'll catch you in the next ones. Peace.